What's up YouTube? Matt Vogt, callsign Jerry. Another AI video for you. By far, the most popular concept tied to artificial intelligence is ML. Most people even say them together, AI, ML. It's hot, it's sexy, but how does it differ from artificial intelligence? What exactly is machine learning? We covered what AI is in the last episode, but if you haven't watched that one yet, click above. I described what AI is and what it can do. Machine learning is one of the subsets of artificial intelligence, but have gotten a lot of attention and momentum the last couple of decades, even though it's existed for much, much longer. Machine learning is artificial intelligence, where we let the data train the algorithms. This makes sense, right? We humans learn from data and feedback we've collected over the years. What if we're going to do something new that we've never done before? We either ask somebody about it, we read on it, or watch a YouTube video, right? Machine learning is just like that human trying to do something it's never done before, but the big difference is ML, we can afford a lot of trial and error. Let's say we're running a car dealership. We can use machine learning in a couple different ways to help us out. Here are 5 ways ML can be used to increase sales and mitigate loss. Use case number 1. What cars should we stock on a lot? It would probably be smart to look back at what cars have we sold for high margins in the past with minimal time on our lot, right? Great idea. Well, machine learning could chew through the past decades of car sales data and then recommend cars to stock. Using math and computer science, ML can determine correlations and make recommendations. Wouldn't it be cool if we could extrapolate those correlations into the future? Yup. Use case number 2. How do we get people into our dealership? Well, marketing works, right? Great, let's do that. Let's market to the segment of the population who is actually likely to come in if they see the advertisement, and then likely to spend money at our dealership if they come in. Sites like Facebook don't charge you money to use their platforms because you pay them with your data and the ability for them to market and advertise to you. We can target that upper middle income 42 to 55-year-old male when we're trying to move that red Corvette on our lot. We're able to do this based on piles of data. Are you sensing a theme yet? Data is king. Use case number 3 and 4. Which models do we show the individual? How do we haggle on the price? How likely are they to walk away? Again, each of these is determinable through data. Last one, number 5. This one's huge. How do we provide financing to this guy? Do we finance this guy if he's going to be buying our car? Will he default or will he pay that loan back? Are we all right with taking a little bit of a loss if it gets that car sold? You can quickly see how important machine learning is in just this one example, how pervasive it is, and even some areas where it could improve the seller and the consumer experiences. There's 3 basic types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. I'll cover these individually in the next 3 videos. Definitely subscribe if you're not, so you'll be notified when they come out. The key takeaway is that machine learning is very powerful because it's able to learn from data and train algorithms to be more efficient and effective. The more data you have, theoretically, the more powerful your application of ML can be. There's obviously an upper limit. Well, that's machine learning. Pretty simple, right? Smash the thumbs up below if you learned something, or like this comment. Subscribe if you're 90% that's not subscribed yet. I'll be pumping these videos out daily and you don't want to miss them. Also, please leave me a comment about topics you want me to cover. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Jerry out. See ya.